Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain salsa using an easy method. First, let's understand the core principles of Jain cooking, which means avoiding root vegetables like onions and garlic. We'll focus on fresh, vibrant ingredients to create a delicious and authentic flavor. This recipe is perfect for anyone seeking a quick, flavorful, and compliant salsa option for their meals or gatherings. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for this delightful salsa. Start by dicing 2 large, ripe tomatoes into small, consistent pieces. Next, finely chop 1 green chili. Adjust the amount to your preferred spice level. Mince about 1 inch of fresh ginger, adding a wonderful aromatic note. Finally, squeeze the juice from 1/2 of a fresh lime to brighten all the flavors. With all your fresh ingredients prepared, it's time to bring them together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, chopped green chili, and minced ginger. Now, let's add our spices: 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Gently stir everything together, then season with salt to taste, starting with 1/4 teaspoon, and mix well. Once your salsa is mixed, let it rest for about 15 minutes. This short resting period allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. Serve this vibrant, fresh Jain salsa with your favorite corn chips, vegetable sticks, or as a topping for other dishes. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.